Welcome back everyone to CarOG 765, the channel where classic power meets timeless design. If you're passionate about American muscle, vintage trucks, and automotive history, you're in the right place. So before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our exciting videos. Today, we're stepping back into the golden era of American trucks to take a closer look at one of Chevrolet's finest creations, the 1986 Chevrolet Scottsdale 1500. A truck that wasn't just built for work, but for pride, power, and style. This model from the mid-80s marked the final years of the third-generation Chevy CK series, also known as the square body era. And even today, it remains one of the most iconic pickup trucks to ever roll off the production line. The 1986 Scottsdale 1500 carried Chevrolet's reputation for reliability and toughness. It wasn't about fancy technology or luxury features, it was about raw mechanical strength and a design that told everyone this truck means business. The body was squared off and bold, with clean lines that gave it a rugged charm. Its front grille, the signature dual rectangular headlights, and the simple chrome accents made it instantly recognizable on any American highway or farm road. Under the hood, the 1986 Scottsdale 1500 offered a variety of engine choices, allowing drivers to pick the perfect balance of performance and efficiency. The base engine was the 4.3-liter V6, known for being reliable and capable of handling daily duties with ease. But for those who wanted more muscle, there were optional version 8s, including the 5.0-liter and the 5.7-liter small block engines. The latter was a favorite among truck enthusiasts, delivering the kind of torque that could haul heavy loads and still make you smile when you pressed the gas pedal. The transmission options included a 3-speed and 4-speed automatic or a manual gearbox, giving drivers full control over their driving experience. What made the Scottsdale stand out was how it balanced work and comfort. It could carry heavy loads during the day and still take the family out at night, thanks to its comfortable cabin. Inside, the interior was surprisingly simple yet welcoming. The bench seat was wide and soft, capable of seating 3 adults comfortably. The dashboard layout was straightforward, with large easy-to-read gauges, durable materials, and controls that were built to last. Even though luxury wasn't the focus, the Scottsdale still offered features like air conditioning, AM/FM radio, and optional power windows, impressive for its time. One of the reasons the 1986 Chevrolet Scottsdale 1500 is still loved today is its incredible durability. These trucks were made to last decades, and many are still running strong across farms, small towns, and even classic car shows. The simple mechanical systems make them easy to repair and maintain, which adds to their timeless value. Collectors and enthusiasts adore the 1986 Scottsdale because it represents the perfect blend of old-school craftsmanship and practicality. It's from an era before trucks became oversized luxury vehicles, a time when a pickup was truly a working man's companion. When it comes to restoration projects, the 1986 Scottsdale is a dream truck. The aftermarket support is huge, meaning parts are easy to find and modifications are limitless. Whether you want to keep it original or turn it into a street beast with modern upgrades, this Chevy can handle it all. Even after nearly 4 decades, this truck commands attention wherever it goes. Its boxy shape, chrome bumpers, and deep V8 rumble remind us of what true American engineering looked like: simple, strong, and built with heart. So, if you ever come across a 1986 Chevrolet Scottsdale 1500, know that you're looking at a piece of history, a machine that tells the story of America's hard-working spirit and Chevrolet's dedication to excellence. Thanks for watching today's video on the legendary 1986 Chevrolet Scottsdale 1500. If you enjoyed this journey through classic truck history, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, share it with other car lovers, and subscribe to CarOG 765 for more amazing automotive stories from the golden years. See you in the next video, and keep the engines roaring.